Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow profile backlink, and also you guys are able to create a do follow a forum submission backlink on this website. Okay, so the website name is education.com. So this is a website dashboard, and this is a website URL, and this site is closely related for the education industry. So if you are in the same, so this site is a highly relevant backlink for you. Either you can also consider this site for the do follow backlinking. Okay, so now we can start. Before we can do some research, so according to Acharya, the domain rating is 83, and according to Moj, the domain authority is they don't have enough data. And if we can track this website traffic, so you will see a 12.4k monthly traffic this website having, and mostly traffic from India, Pakistan, UK, Egypt, Singapore, and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the sign in button, click on the register. There you can put your email address. Then you guys will choose your username, and you guys will choose your password. Then you can confirm your password. Click on the register button, and you will see our account is created. So what you guys have to do, so you can don't get confused about this confirm email. So this is for the, you can ignore these things, okay? And there you can put your personal name, so James, and no, there you can add your brand name. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. Jobma, let me add here interview. There you can add your organization name and the first name, last name. There you can add the person name, and there you can add title. So let me ignore these things. In the website, there you can add your website URL, and there you can add publicly a profile copy. I don't have right now the post description, so what should I going to use? Let me use this, a short description. And once you guys will complete these things, click on the update button. So I guess a mobile phone is required. Okay, so there you can add a mobile number. So let me add a mobile number. So now we have added all the things. So click on the update button, and you will see profile is updated. Yeah, profile is created, James Bolden. So what you guys have to do next, so you can scroll photo section, and click on the forums. If you can see in the bottom section, there is a forum button. Click on this, and what you guys add next. So after forum a slash, you can type uh, general discussion. Okay, general discussion. Click on the enter button, and directly you are navigated on this interface. So click on the create a new thread. So there you can add your thread title. So like suppose let me add, so one-sided video interview platform, and there you can add your short description. So this is my short description. This is a bold. So, and you will see this is my keyword, so one-sided video interview solution. So you can select your keyword, and you can hyperlink your page. So you will see I guess, so you can insert your website URL. Click on the OK button. So you can see we have inserted a hyperlink, and if you wanting, so you can attach uh, image as well if you wanting. And after that you can click on the create this thread. So you will see our backlink is created. One-sided video interview software is streamline hiring. And if I can show you this is an instant approved backlink or not. So which you will see this is an instant approved backlink. And if I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. And the another thing, this is a contextual backlink. So you guys are creating your targeted keywords backlink. Okay, so this is a do follow backlink. And if I can click on the James Bolden, so you will see this is James Bolden, and this is a website. Okay, and this is our organization name. So overall, this is the process for the backlinking on this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there, you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create a rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.